This happens every time I come to this park with a bag of food. I always got these birds surrounding me, practically begging me like a dog to give them some of my food. Well, this isn't really as bad as the last time, because the last time I had to deal with 3 sandhill cranes. And those are the big birds. Oh, excuse me. Well, you know what? Call me uncharitable, but they're not getting my food. Besides, you're not really supposed to feed these animals anyway, because I think some of them have a tendency to be aggressive. And if you ever go to any of the parks in the tourist attractions of Orlando, I think some of them have signs on the tables that say, "Please do not feed the wildlife for health reasons." So either way, no. I'm not giving these scavengers my food. It's my food, and they cannot have it. I pay for the food, and it's all mine.